Alright guys, well I just built this welding table slash post leg vise stand for this vise here, and after painting it and everything it looks so good I decided that I want to restore this vise. I'm not going to go all out on it. I mainly just plan on going to go ahead and wire wheel the whole thing, take it apart, wire wheel it, and paint it and put it back together. So let's go ahead and get started on that. And if you haven't checked out my new YouTube channel, it should pop up somewhere up here. Let's get started, guys. Alright, now the fun part is going to be trying to put all of this back together without scratching it. It's been 24 hours and we'll see if we can get this thing together without messing it up too bad. Alright, the restoration is done. I really like the way it turned out. I wasn't totally sure about the colors when I first picked them, the orange and black anyway, but I'm really glad I did now. It really looks good on camera too, which is the main reason that I did it. And hope you guys enjoyed this project. It was definitely a fun one, and if you would, please check out my new YouTube channel where I actually built this table and painted it and everything also. And if you did like the video, please like it and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you think down below. Thanks for watching.